Why are there not more people talking about Salahuddin's incredible choice? Imagine being offered a throne and saying no. I will never look at leadership the same way after learning this story. Let's dive into this real-life tale. Inspired by the life of Salahuddin, the legendary Muslim leader who changed history, not by grabbing power, but by letting it go. So, what's the story? In 12th century Egypt, the country was in chaos. Salahuddin, a brilliant general, was offered the throne. He could have ruled with absolute authority. Instead, he did something almost nobody expected. He turned it down. Why? Here are the key themes, broken down simply. First, true leadership is about service, not control. Salahuddin believed leading meant helping people, not just sitting on a golden chair. Like how a coach lifts up a team from behind the scenes, not just shouting orders. Second, humility over ego. He knew power could corrupt, so he stayed humble and focused on the bigger mission: unity and justice. Kind of like when you share credit for a group project instead of taking all the glory. Third, lasting impact comes from principles, not titles. Salahuddin is remembered for his wisdom and kindness, not just his position. It's like how people remember your kindness, not your popularity. Why does this matter today? In a world where everyone wants to be the boss, Salahuddin's story reminds us that sometimes the strongest people are the ones who serve, not rule. Greatness isn't about crowns, it's about character. So next time you're faced with a choice between power and principles, think of Salahuddin. What would you choose? Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and remember, sometimes true leaders are the ones you least expect.